What are the main benefits of investing in your brand? Last time we talked about courses related to branding investments in Switzerland and in the canton of Ticino. Today, however, I want to delve into a fundamental aspect with you. So, what are the benefits of investing in your brand? Before listing the advantages, it's important to consider what the disadvantages of not doing so are. Understanding these aspects can highlight how important it is to invest in branding. Let's take a look together at the disadvantages of not investing in your brand. 1. Room for competition. Not investing in your brand means giving space to the competition. In a market where companies compete for customers' attention, those who don't work to build a solid and recognizable presence risk losing visibility. When your brand doesn't stand out, your competitors gain ground, attracting those customers who could have chosen your products and services. 2. Loss of identity. The brand is much more than a logo or a name. It's the soul of the company, its distinctive character. Not investing in your brand means not clearly conveying either the mission or the company values. This can lead to a loss of identity, making it harder for customers to understand who you are and what you represent. Weak brand communication can also undermine customer trust and loyalty. 3. Less trust from customers. A poorly maintained brand can seem less reliable. People tend to trust brands that demonstrate consistency. Professionalism is a clear self-image. Neglecting branding can create a perception of disorganization or instability, pushing customers to prefer those companies that have invested in building a more structured and reassuring image. 4. Lack of long-term recognition. Without consistent investment in the brand, it becomes difficult to achieve long-term recognition. Consumers need to interact repeatedly with a brand. If a brand is not maintained over time, it risks being forgotten or replaced by other brands in the market. 5. Lack of perceived value. The last but not least disadvantage of not investing in your brand concerns the value perceived by customers. Without effective branding, your potential customers may not assign the right value to either your products or your services. If you're not the first to invest in your brand, how can you expect others to do so? Expecting the market to recognize the value of your products without a solid brand identity is a mistake that could really cost you. And now, after analyzing the disadvantages, let's take a look at the advantages of investing in your brand. 1. Better market positioning. A strong brand allows for better positioning in the market. When customers recognize and trust a brand, they are more likely to choose it over the competition. This competitive advantage can make a difference in saturated markets where visibility is key. 2. Customer loyalty. Investing in your brand helps build a long-term relationship with your customers. A consistent and well-defined brand creates trust, leading customers to return. Loyalty, on the other hand, goes beyond product quality. It is based on the emotional bond that the brand is able to create with its audience. 3. Greater perceived value. A well-maintained brand can increase the perceived value of products and services. Customers are indeed willing to pay more for brands they consider reliable and high quality. Investing in the brand allows you to position your products in a higher market segment, justifying higher prices compared to the competition. 4. Market expansion. A solid and recognized brand facilitates market expansion. When a brand is established, attracting new customer segments and introducing new products is easier. Investing in branding opens up growth and diversification opportunities that would otherwise be difficult to seize. 5. Support for marketing strategies. A strong brand makes all marketing strategies more effective. Advertising campaigns, promotions, and communication activities generate better results when the audience is familiar with the brand. Investing in your brand, therefore, is not only useful for improving overall perception, but also for maximizing the effectiveness of marketing activities. If you found this content interesting, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. At Organica, we are preparing a lot of new content these days, and we will be happy to share with you more winning strategies to grow your brand.